Terra Classic finally sees a correction. We're going to be talking about why this possibly could be, whether or not we are going to be continuing to go up like we have in the past week or so, and much more. So if you guys want to hear about all that, then make sure you guys stick around till the end of the video. Watch until the end of the video. Also leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any Terra Classic news that is coming out that we're giving to you guys. Also get your free stock with the first link in the description. Join our free section, our private Discord with the second link in the description. Other than that, let's get into this video. So Terra Classic currently down 7% on the day. Now we're down 11% more in Bitcoin, 11% more than Ethereum. And if you take a look, the global crypto market's actually doing pretty well today, up at $917 billion, a 2% increase, and pretty much everything is in the green. So you might be thinking, why is Terra Classic doing worse? Well, we did have a pretty big dump off yesterday. You can see here, if we go into the 1-day chart, there was just a sudden drop from about the 13 level all the way to about the 11 level, which took out a big chunk of our overall price action that we were seeing. So we have started to increase in price once again, and it looks like we've made a support at about the 11.5 area, but we'll talk about that at the end of the video in the technical analysis and my price prediction. But other than that, Terra Classic currently ranked number 211 in the world with a $775 million market cap, a volume of about 245 million, which is actually up 40% over the past 24 hours. But that is most likely because people are buying that dip, and then also we're selling off pretty heavily right there. In terms of historical data, you can see that Terra Classic is currently doing a lot more than $100 million in volume, which is what I like to see. And it looks like we've started to increase our volume for the first time since we've been decreasing over the past 5 days, which is pretty solid to see. But anyways, we're here to talk about Terra Classic news, so let's get into that. But before we do that, I do want to mention you can get a free stock worth up to $300 with public.com. When you all you have to do is deposit $1, you're going to get up to $300 worth of free stock, and you get to get signed up to a social investing app where you can see what your favorite investors are buying and selling in the stock and crypto markets. So go ahead and get signed up with the first link in the description. But here we are with our first piece of news for today from Terra Classic on Twitter. Breaking news, FTX CEO buys 100,000 LUNC. And then he said, basically the FTX CEO said, I'll bid 100K LUNC. And this is just as someone saying, would you consider buying this mining operation? And he said, hey, I'll use LUNC. Whether or not he actually has this LUNC, who knows? However, if he does, that would be really awesome to see. Maybe we can get some good partnerships going with FTX here in the future. But anyways, next piece of news. This is from Lunc DAO, and they said, we'll create a Lunc validator as soon as possible. It's very wrong that existing validators took the chain hostage and prevented new staking plus validators running up until now. Becoming a Lunc validator and having you all stake with us will allow us to 10x the Lunc burn rate. So if you guys don't know, if you're not a Lunc validator, you're basically it's kind of paired with staking, so you're not really allowed to stake yet with Lunc. Well, these existing validators have kind of said, hey, we want to be the only validators until a certain date in August. Well, people want to be able to become validators so we can start to up the burn rate of Lunc and things of that nature. So yeah, that's basically what the Lunc DAO is saying here, is that they want to be able to have multiple people be stakers as well as validators. So yeah, that's kind of what we're looking at there. And then also, last piece of news here, Paybolt. They said, we are excited to announce that Paybolt is going to be giving a special place to Lunc or Terra Classic in the default token list on the Paybolt crypto app, as well as in our Web3 crypto payment gateway on both BNB chain and Polygon. A little contribution to the loyal Lunc community. So yeah, Lunc coming soon on Paybolt, a crypto app and Web3 crypto payment gateway. So this is basically a way that you can pay with crypto, and basically it's giving some utility to Lunc. So this is really good. We need utility if we want to get that circulating supply down with our burns. So this is extremely good to see. Now, before we get into the technical analysis and price predictions, I do want to mention that you can get into our free section of our private Discord and start making money today. All you have to do is use the second link in the description, get joined up. You can see here, this is our trading day today. We did over 40% on one play, 30%, 20%, 20%, and 8%. So if you guys want to get some basically free cash, all you have to do is join our free section of our private Discord with the second link in the description. And then, okay, now here we are with the technical analysis. Obviously, earlier yesterday, we had a very big drop in price. We blew past our support at the 12 level, and then we stopped here at about the 11 level. Well, now I'm seeing pretty much a support start to form at the 11.5 level, and we are trending up on the MACD. We are still below the EMA line, and then also the RSI is pretty low here at the 45, so we could definitely see a pretty big increase in Lunc. I'd say anywhere from 5 to 15% in the next day or two. So this is very good price action to see after a big drop. I'm liking what we're seeing out of Lunc. Those are my predictions. But other than that, that's pretty much all we're gonna have for this video. Make sure that you guys leave a like and subscribe. Get your free stock with the first link in the description. Join our free section of our private Discord with the second link in the description. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video today. I'm Zach with Finance Bro. Take it easy.